Vice President Sara Duterte gives an update on her father's situation before the International Criminal Court and addresses rumors about his condition inside detention. Here's the report.
Vice President Sara Duterte is hoping for favorable news from the International Criminal Court as its pre-trial chamber prepares to decide on the appeal for the interim release of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The ICC earlier confirmed the decision will be released on November 28.
We hope to hear good news for the public hearing on on the appeal for his interim release on November 28. But if not, we will continue to the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague in the Netherlands, and of course continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case.
VP Sara also dismissed rumors circulating online that the former president was found unconscious inside his ICC room.
Naghanang nangutana kagabi kung tinuod ba tong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyahang room. Dili to tinuod o walay nahitabo nga ingato.
Meanwhile, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission confirms the Philippines has requested an Interpol Red Notice for former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. A red notice alerts all member states to locate and arrest a wanted person.
Dalawa ang basis po natin for requesting an international arrest warrant, a red notice. Una po, yung warrant of arrest na inisyu sa kanya para dun sa isinampa naming qualified trafficking in persons charge based on the Porac, Pampanga raid. Pangalawa po ay yung nilabas po na resolusyon at arrest warrant ng Manila RTC para doon sa kasong isinampa ng NBI for inciting to sedition. Sapagkat di ho ba siya ay naglabas ng deepfake video sa mga maisog rally.
But the PAOK says the request may take time as Roque is currently seeking political asylum in the Netherlands. He claims he is being politically persecuted. For now, Roque is only under a yellow notice which tracks movement but does not authorize arrest.
Yellow notice pa lamang po ang meron kay Ginoong Roque. Basically, it only informs the requesting party of his locations, movements. I am not particularly privy to the discussions on how the Interpol in France will release the red notice in relation to Mr. Roque. Pero I guess, I could hazard a guess by saying na siguro they have to, his asylum petition will have to be resolved first.